Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to go over some tips for sorting data in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, we are going to show you how to sort this series of data right here by full name in alphabetical order. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So say my data set arrives like this, and I can see that my full name is not in any kind of order whatsoever, and neither is my country over here. So if I highlight my data set, starting with my first record, but not including my headers, all the way to my last record right here, and if I go up here to the Data tab, if I know that I want to sort this in ascending order from A to Z, I can just click this button right here. Or sometimes this helps when you're working with dates. If I would prefer to have it from Z to A, I will get reverse alphabetical order. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. But please notice that I highlighted both of my columns. So when I do sort, all of my other data moves with that. So Benjamin Hughes will always have Canada, and Felicity will always have USA. So just watch that again. Descending order, ascending order. However, if I just highlighted this column and went A to Z, I will get a warning asking whether or not I want to expand the section. So if I just continue with my current section and hit sort, I can see that the countries have now changed because I didn't include this column as part of my sorting. And usually I probably don't want to do that. We have a blog entry for this topic where we go into how to sort one column first and then a secondary column. I will include the link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.